Welcome to Followers Panda. Today, we're exploring a simple guide on how to stream on Twitch using Xbox Series. Streaming on Twitch with an Xbox Series lets you broadcast your gameplay live, connecting you instantly with a global community of gamers. It's a seamless way to turn your gaming skills and fun moments into entertainment for others. Let's get started. To begin streaming on Twitch from an Xbox console, the first thing you'll need to do is connect your Twitch account to your console. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the menu and select the capture and share option. Select live streaming in the drop-down menu. Enter the code shown on your screen on the Twitch website from your mobile or desktop web browser, or you can scan the QR that will be shown. Once the Twitch account is connected, you can stream your gameplay directly from your Xbox console. Go to the Capture and Share tab and click on the Go Live Now button. This process has been made more user-friendly with the Xbox dashboard updates. You can set your stream name, which will be seen by your viewers. You can enable or disable the microphone as you'd like to stream. In the camera options, you can select the camera feed if you have a camera plugged in. Click on More options at the bottom for further customization. Here, you can use the party audio facility that has been made available by Microsoft, which allows you to include the audio of players in your party or Discord into your stream automatically. You can select your preferred resolution and bitrate if you're facing problems such as lagging or audio delay. In the Adjust Overlay option, you can navigate where the live stream details will be shown and how opaque. That's it. You're ready to start your stream to Twitch from your console. That's it from me. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insider tips and tricks. And hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.